We'll guide you through how to divide games in Steam library. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, go to the main computer desktop. Look across the screen until you find the Steam shortcut icon among your files and desktop items. Place your mouse pointer over the icon and double-click it to launch Steam. Wait a few moments while the application starts and loads completely. Once Steam is open, look toward the top left area of the window and click the Library tab. Your game list will appear. Above the list, locate the Collections icon, which looks like 4 small squares grouped together, and click it once. A new page will open. Find the large box with a plus symbol labeled Create a New Collection and click it. A collection creation window will appear in the center of the screen. Click inside the text field beneath the prompt asking for a collection name. Type the name you want to use. After entering the name, click either Create Collection or Create Dynamic Collection, depending on your preference. A blank collection page will then be displayed, ready for games to be added. Look back to the left sidebar where your game list is shown. Click and hold the left mouse button on a game that you want to include in the collection. While holding the button, drag the game into the dark gray area on the right side of the collection page, then release the mouse button to add it. The game will now appear inside the collection. To remove a game from the collection later, click and hold the game again and drag it toward the top section of the category area. Watch for the red square indicator that appears as a removal option. Move the game over that red square and release the mouse button. The game will be removed from the collection. You can repeat these steps with as many games as you want to make Steam library much clearer. This makes browsing, finding, grouping, and maintaining games much easier overall for daily use.